How to use a Grab car in the Philippines. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use a Grab car in the Philippines. First, open the Grab app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the car option and enter your destination in the Where To field. Now, use the map to set your pickup location within the Philippines or manually type in the address. Then tap on Choose this pickup to confirm your location. After that, select your preferred ride type like economy or any other available option. Finally, confirm your ride and you're all set. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.